Let's see how to change the color of the border lines in tables in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, as you can see, we have our table right here. Now let's say that you want to change the borders, specifically the border color. So what you can do is click on any cell on the table, and that will open up two new tabs right here at the top. Now click on Table Design and click on Border Painter under Borders. And what that will do is that will allow you to change specific parts of the border. And the pen color is the color that you want to change the border into. So right now we have it on red. Now let's go ahead and click some of these borders. And you'll see that once I click them, they immediately change their color. And you can do this for every single line inside of your table. You can also adjust the thickness if you want to make it thicker, or the border style right here. And that is how you can change the border color of tables in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.